I want to talk about something that was silently messing up my focus. Not in a dramatic way, just slowly. Whenever I open YouTube to learn coding or something useful, and somehow I would end up watching shorts, then more shorts, then random stuff. Not because I wanted to waste time, but because it was right there. The scary part is, after scrolling, I felt tired, but I hadn't actually done anything. No progress, just mental noise. So instead of blaming myself or going into discipline mode, I asked a simple question. Can I remove the distractions instead of fighting them? That's when I found an app called OneSec. It doesn't block YouTube, it doesn't lecture you, it just removes the things that don't matter. No shorts feed, no recommended videos pulling you away, no endless scrolling. Now, when I open YouTube, I see exactly what I came for. I search, I watch, I live. And suddenly, YouTube feels like a tool again, not a trap. This is not about productivity hacks. It is about protecting your attention. If you are serious about learning but keep getting distracted, try fixing the system, not blaming yourself. Now let's see how to use that app. Now open your Play Store and search for an app called OneSec. Tap on the OneSec app. Since I have already installed it, it shows open for me, but for you it will show install. So tap install, then complete the setup and open the app. When you open the app, it will look like this. Here you can add the apps for which you want to reduce distractions. I have added YouTube. To cut distractions in those apps, go to customize, then tap remove in-app distractions. Once you enable options like shorts, reels or stories, those features will be blocked inside the selected apps. In this way, you can reduce your distractions.